bad that I don't even remember the normal version of this.
Honey, it's expected that you don't remember.
Talking about the guy who spent his entire life yelling about how Uldar is the best city-state, and then when I talked about Nordthal, he asked me who it was.
Oh my god, this is my god!
Hi Xenos! Let's pull.
Wait, check this out though. This is like.
Oh my god! I forget how short Blair task times are.
Like,
Oh, is Uranus?
Whoa!
It's what?
Which one?
What? Hey!
Azura, stop assaulting Tofu.
Jesus, how much damage was that? No, it was just kind of not.
Yeah, I was raising. I just figured people would accept.
you know intended as a ball that we stick in the middle, right?
Oh, it's not
Oh,
back
shit.
Oh, fuck, it's blue first!
Yeah, knockback immunity doesn't work. Indeed.
Sorry, Turf.
Meteon just said no.
No.
Oh, hi?
So we wanna. Oh god. Oh.
One.
Yikey.
Raise her fast.
I was like powered up by the knockback.
I'll go on my own terms.
Same. She
What?
exploded.
What?
Okay, it
I
was
love it.
top left. Wonderful.
That makes zero sense. Yeah.
Oh,
X up.
that's just loud. Oh, that scared me.
Go away from this. Can somebody rescue me?
Behind the head. Behind the head.
I keep dying to that one.
Why is she so ominous with her
Okay.
head, bro?
Wait, can't.
Oh no!
You are alive, Mara.
I thought I was dead.
Zephyl.
We haven't seen this
On the
before.
right side,
Oh, we
on
have
the right
seen this
side,
before.
On the right side.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And now we move clockwise.
I forgot which way a clock goes. Really rage.
Food consumption time.
I have a spread marker when I'm dead.
Remember
does a
what
circle
you
mean?
have now, because you will have the opposite later again.
Wait, why are you guys over there?
Oh, the dump. There is now.
What?
Sorry! Sorry!
Wah!
Oh no.
Wah!
Oh,
What?
How you doing?
Oh, stay away from the middle.
Ow!
Oh my god.
Badoo.
Damn it, and
Stop!
it's like,
I have to say that on Nao's behalf because she can't defend herself.
Bro, please, bro. Why you do? Oh god.
You got it. Easy.